Good morning, brothers and sisters. Here I am today to share the gospel according to Saint Matthew, verse 11, 28 to 30. July 17, 2025. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle, humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Reflection. Are you carrying burdens that feel too heavy? Jesus doesn't say we have to pretend to be strong. He simply says, come to me, lay down your worries, your weariness, your wounds. In His heart there is rest. So sa panahon natin ngayon, meron tayong mga problema, mga pagsubok na dinaadaanan. Huwag nating kalimutan na mayroon tayong Diyos na handang umalalay at gumabay sa atin. Kaya ialay natin sa Kanya ang ating mga problema, mga pasanin, dahil Siya lang mismo ang ating pahinga. At Siya ay handang tumulong sa atin.